Yesterday, I needed to visit another city. First, I wanted to book a bus ticket. I went to the ticket office in the morning. The lady at the counter was very helpful. I asked, "Can I have a ticket to Springfield, please?" She replied, "What time do you want to leave?" I said, "I want to leave at 9 o'clock." She checked her computer and gave me a ticket for the 9 a.m. bus. I thanked her and paid for the ticket. After that, I waited for my bus at the station. There were many buses and people. My bus arrived on time. I showed my ticket to the driver and got on the bus. The seats were comfortable and the journey was smooth. On the way, I looked out of the window and enjoyed the view. After an hour, the bus stopped for a short break. Later, I wanted to try the train. At the train station, I saw many signs and schedules. I went to the machine to buy a train ticket. I selected my destination and paid with my card. The ticket came out and I checked the platform number. I waited on platform 2 for my train. When the train came, I got on and found my seat. The train was fast and clean. I watched the towns and fields pass by. After 40 minutes, the train arrived at my stop. I got off and walked toward the exit. I needed to find a taxi to go to my hotel. I saw some taxis near the train station. I asked one driver, "Can you take me to the city hotel, please?" He said, "Of course. Please get in." On the way, I wanted to know the route. I asked, "Which way do we go?" The driver explained, "We will go straight, then turn left at the big supermarket." I watched the road carefully. The city was busy and there were many cars and buses. Sometimes I wanted to be sure we were on the right way. I asked, "Is the hotel far from here?" The driver said, "No, just 5 minutes more." Soon we arrived at the hotel. When I was in the city center, I needed help to find the museum. I stopped a man and asked, "Excuse me, how can I get to the museum?" He was kind and told me, "Go straight for 2 blocks, then turn right at the bank. The museum is next to the park." I thanked him and followed his directions. Along the way, I saw many interesting shops and restaurants. I walked for 10 minutes and found the museum. I really enjoyed my day traveling by bus, train, and taxi. Booking tickets and asking for directions was easy and helped me reach my destination confidently. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to receive all the new updates.